Hey traders, welcome to the new studio. Super excited to bring this to you. We're gonna do a little studio tour of the new space here in Miami. A few other announcements. I have a coaching program as well. So if you're looking for trader coaching, just launched that. The first cohort starts August 11th. That one's maxed out, but more to come. We're gonna do at least one more before the year is over. Another series with Perdia coming. I haven't talked about them in a while, but they reached out to me. They have some new updates, so stay tuned for that. Some changes to Perdia Capital, another prop firm that I'm partnered with. The macro, so my podcast focused on long-term investing. I'm gonna move that to its own separate channel, and we're gonna be filming that in the studio. A lot of conversations as well, right? So conversations about investing, personal finance, figuring out, how people run and start their businesses. All of that is gonna be on the macro on its own channel. So could not do this without any of you guys. Nothing but gratitude for you all who tune in to me. Let's go ahead and take a look at this space that I've invested in. I do have a partner with this. He's probably gonna walk in halfway through this video. But yeah, let's take a look at the studio. This is the main space. We're gonna put some sets in here. We don't really know yet. We're doing some sets. Let's look at the bathroom. We got a bathroom over here. We got a toilet. We got a bathroom mirror, normal bathroom stuff. Flushes probably. So, cabinets, dual cabinets. Some cabinets only have one handle. This one has two, so it's pretty cool. There's electricity access, lumen source. Yeah, and there's a vent for those of you guys who enjoy air. Come over here, we got a closet. It's not a closet, that's one of them things. We got a dishwasher, probably never use this. Washer and dryer. So you can fit both hands in. Both hands. Both hands, yep. Oh, jeez. Oh, I was messing around at first, but I'm actually struggling. We got cabinets. Soft close. Got another cabinet. Yeah, so that's the kitchen. We got a fridge. Got a fridge. Show them the fridge. Look at that. Look at that. Can't tell on camera, but it is cold in there. We got this under stair space, which is pretty cool.
Please don't try this at home.
We get hurt. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, so let's go outside. Check out the outdoors. This is a patio space. Get a nice view of the city. It's a little windy. Beautiful day. We got the pool right there. You can see over here is pool access. So, can we get in here? There we go. Come over here. There's a pool, there's a jacuzzi. So probably never use that, but there it is. So yeah, we'll probably do some outside stuff here. Who knows? And let's check out upstairs. So definitely wanna, hold up. Yeah, I can jump onto this. Oh my God! Look at that, let's get up. Oh, it's not clean, nor flat. Coming upstairs. All right, we got toilet paper. That in in case you poop. You gotta wipe the poop off your cheeks. Got a closet. Let's check out the bathroom. Now the toilet probably flushes. Does. Water. For you drinkers out there. Got a shower. Oh, it's got the overhead shower. Isn't that nice? Nice.
Towel, feather, little duck, water temperature just right. Grandma who comes to make bubbles today is truly wonderful.
We're getting out. That's a shower. We'll probably film some stuff in there. Maybe an episode of the macro. Probably put a desk over here. Who knows? We got this little walkway. It's cool. There's that little ledge. The ledge, remember? If you skipped in the video, you missed the part where it jumped up. That's where it jumped up. It was right there. You scroll back in the video. It's over there. We'll go outside. Oh, it's locked. Oh, it's locked. Jeez. There we go. We're outside. And that's the tour. Let's bring it back inside. That's it, guys. That's the studio. Super excited about the opportunity here. Also, honestly, very stressed out because I have a lot of stuff on my plate, but what would life be without a little bit of stress? But yeah, I really just want to keep spreading as much information I can about day trading, finance, And yeah, helping people get a leg up in life. That's what it's about. So I started doing all this. Let's keep it moving. Subscribe to my channel.